Hi, welcome everyone to this session of Pulse. Thanks a lot for joining. I'm sure we could have met at a better time, as today has been one of the worst days in the history of Sensex. Just to tell you, I have seen three such days earlier, around 10 years back, in fact, around 12 years back, when first, somewhere close to around 21st of January 2008, the market had tanked somewhere close to 7.5%. Then close to around, I think so, around 24th of October 2008, during the Lehman crisis, then the market had tanked. And again in January 2009, when we had seen around a 7% kind of a downtick by the market. So we have clearly history with rest. The markets can go down substantially. Having said that, if you would have looked at the Sensex level then and now, the index has gone up substantially up, even when you would have bought from the top of the market, which was created in early part of January 2008. My basic point to you is, if you are a new investor who have not seen a market cycle, take it for me by someone who has seen couple of cycles. This going up and down of market is part and parcel of equities. You should not be disheartened that you have invested in the market and it has come down. Now let us discuss, what is it that we as investors should learn from this history that I talked to you about in 2008-9, and what is the lesson that we can apply today. Now, looking at what has happened in the market, let's come to the reason why what has happened. So obviously, one of the reasons why the market was doing pretty okay over last couple of months has been a very strong FI inflow into India. Now, why FI inflow was very high into India? Because there was an ability of FIs to borrow money at very low cost. In fact, around 45% of global interest rates were negative, which typically, from an economic standpoint, were always an indicator of recession. At that particular point of time, we saw that a lot of FIs were putting in money into India. At the same time, what we witnessed was that the Indian stocks, the quality stocks, were doing pretty well. तो अगर हिंदी में अभी तक का मैं बात करूं कि अभी तक क्या हुआ है, 2008 के अंदर बहुत ही भयंकर तरीके से मार्केट गिरा था. सबसे पहले जनवरी 21 2008 में रिलायंस पावर के आईपीओ से थोड़ा पहले, उसके बाद अक्टूबर 2008 में 24 अक्टूबर के आसपास मेरे ख्याल से लीमन क्राइसिस के आसपास, और फिर जनवरी में 2009 में तो मार्केट में 50% से मेन इंडेक्स नीचे गिर गया था. परंतु अगर आप ऊपर के रेट से देखिए तो अभी भी मार्केट सब्सटेंशियली अप है पिछले 10 साल में, और इंडिविजुअल स्टॉक्स तो बहुत ही उम्दा कर किए हैं. तो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है कि आप निराश हो जाएं और साइड में होके अपना सारा पैसा जो है निकाल लें मार्केट से कि अभी ये क्या होगा. मार्केट में एक साइकिल होता है, कभी हम इन्वेस्ट हायर साइकिल में करते हैं, कभी लोअर साइकिल में करते हैं. इसलिए इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर कि आप मार्केट में कॉन्टिन्यूसली इन्वेस्टमेंट्स जारी रखें, बिकॉज ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म आपका रिटर्न बनता है.